Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Today our team will be presenting a comparison between two major operating systems, which are HarmonyOS and Android. We will discuss the features, challenges and opportunities in the comparison between these two operating systems. Alright, so my name is Danish Irfan and these are our group members, which are Hamim, Zaim and Iman. What we will be discussing in this presentation is what are the main differences between HarmonyOS and Android. Second, how does HarmonyOS handle device connections differently from Android? And lastly, based on our finding, which operating system we think is better for developers and why? So first we are going to see the differences between HarmonyOS and Android based on their architecture, ecosystem of applications and compatibility of hardware. So first I will talk about the architecture of this operating system first. HarmonyOS is designed using a microkernel architecture, meaning that only the most essential functions such as memory management and scheduling are kept inside the core kernel. Other system services like device managers and file management run separately in user space. One advantage of microkernel architecture is better security, since core services are isolated, so a failure or security breach in one part does not affect the entire system. While the challenge of this architecture is that it requires complex design and efficient inter-process communication (IPC), which can be challenging to optimize. And then we can see this HarmonyOS architecture diagram showcase its layered structure. At the bottom, the kernel layer includes the Linux kernel, Light OS, and a kernel abstraction layer (KAL) for hardware interaction. The system service layer provides core services like a distributed scheduler, data management, and virtual bus for seamless multi-device communications. The framework layer includes the UI framework, application framework, and ability framework to support application development. The application layer consists of system applications like desktop, settings, and call control, and third-party applications. HarmonyOS also includes enhanced AI, security, IoT, and wearable services, making it a flexible and distributed operating system. Okay, Android on the other hand uses a monolithic kernel specifically based on Linux, where all core functions are combined, including device, drivers, memory management, and hardware control. The advantage of this architecture is that it simplifies development because everything is managed within a single space, making operations faster. However, the challenge is a higher security risk because everything runs in a single kernel space, where a vulnerability in one part could compromise the entire system. So we can see that this Android architecture diagram that represents the layered structure of the Android operating system. At the base, the Linux kernel manages hardware through drivers like display, camera, and Bluetooth. Above it, native libraries provide essential functionalities like graphics or OpenGL, database or SQLite, and security or SSL. The Android runtime includes core libraries and the Dalvik virtual machine, which executes Android apps. The application framework provides high-level services like Activity Manager and Window Manager for app development. And then finally, the application layer includes user-facing apps like Home, Contacts, and Camera built on the underlying layers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Roslan. Today I am excited to share a comparison between two influential operating systems, which is HarmonyOS and Android. These platforms are shaping the way we interact with our devices. I will focus on two main areas of comparison, which is their ecosystem of application and hardware compatibility. Let's dive in. So first, let's look at their application ecosystem. Starting with HarmonyOS, it initially supported Android apps to ease the transition for users. This compatibility allows HarmonyOS to quickly populate its app offering. However, Huawei has shifted its focus toward creating a native app ecosystem. This ambition move seeks to establish HarmonyOS as a truly independent platform. However, there is a challenge, which is limited user adoption. With a smaller user base compared to Android, developers may hesitate to create apps specifically for HarmonyOS. This restricts app diversity and makes it harder to attract new users. In contrast, Android is known for its massive app ecosystem. With millions of apps available on the Google Play Store, Android dominates the markets. Its platform is developer-friendly, offering multiple revenue streams such as in-app purchases, ads, and subscription. This vast ecosystem caters to a wide audience and creates an unparalleled level of convenience for users globally. Now, let's compare their hardware compatibility. HarmonyOS operates within a more closed ecosystem, specifically designed for Huawei devices. The tight integration between software and hardware ensures seamless performance within Huawei's lineup, including smartphones, tablets, and smart appliances. However, the closed nature of HarmonyOS also limits its adoption by other manufacturers, which reduces its market potential globally. On the other hand, Android is renowned for its hardware flexibility. It supports a wide range of devices, from smartphones and wearables to tablet and IoT devices. This versatility allows Android to be used by numerous brands like Samsung, Google, and even smaller manufacturers. Moreover, Android open source nature enables customization, making it a highly adaptable operating system for different hardware requirements. This adaptability is a key reason for Android's widespread success. It's also worth noting the broader context of these differences. For HarmonyOS, the move towards independence is particularly significant, given Huawei global challenges, including restrictions on accessing US technology. While building its own ecosystem, Huawei aims to reduce its reliance on platforms like Android. However, creating an entirely new ecosystem requires significant effort and time to compete with Android's established dominance. While for Android, with its open ecosystem and wide reach, has become a global standard for operating system. However, its openness comes with challenges like fragmentation, where some users face delay in receiving updates because of manufacturer-specific customization. Despite this, Android remains unmatched in its ability to cater to device market and devices. Ultimately, the choice depends on user priorities. HarmonyOS is ideal for those committed to Huawei ecosystem, while Android is perfect for users seeking flexibility and diversity. So that's all from me. Let's my friend continue this discussion. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Bushiri Zain bin Muhammad Zaki. So today I'm going to share how does HarmonyOS handle device connections differently from Android. So device connectivity is essential in modern operating systems, allow the user to share data, stream media, and control smart devices. While both HarmonyOS and Android support device connections, they do so in a fundamentally different way. HarmonyOS focuses on seamless automatic integration between devices, while Android relies on traditional communication technologies that often require manual setup. So let's break down these differences in details. So HarmonyOS is designed as distributed operating system, meaning multiple devices work as if they are part of a single unified system. This is possible because of its distributed soft bus, which abstracts communication protocols like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC into a unified layer. So the main key features of HarmonyOS connectivity is, the first one is automatic device discovery and connections. So HarmonyOS devices automatically detect and connect to each other when they are nearby. They don't need for user to manually pair devices or install third-party apps. Example, if you are an HarmonyOS smartphone and receive a video call, you can transfer it instantly to a smart TV or a Huawei laptop with a single tap. Another key features is cross-device task execution. So user can start a task on one device and continue it on another seamlessly. Example, a HarmonyOS smartwatch can be used to control a speaker or TV directly without requiring additional apps. And the last key features for HarmonyOS connectivity is unified ecosystem. So devices running HarmonyOS communicate as if they are one device rather than separate units. Example, a HarmonyOS tablet can use phone's camera remotely, or a laptop can use a phone's 5G connection without setting up a hotspot manually. For Android approach, in a contrast, Androids follow more conventional approach to device connections, relying on well-known technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. While these methods are widely supported, they often require manual setup and third-party apps. So, one of the key features of Android connectivity is manual pairing and setup. Another one is reliance on third-party apps and services. And lastly, interoperability with different brands. So for manual pairing and setup, user needs to manually connect devices or requiring pins, QR codes, or app-based setup. Example, to cast an Android phone screen to Smart TV, you often need an app like Google Home or Chromecast and ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. For reliance on third-party apps and services, Android devices do not natively share a common ecosystem like HarmonyOS. Example, file sharing between Android phones and laptops usually requires apps like Google Neighbor Share or third-party solution like ShareIt. For interoperability with different brands, Androids work with devices from multiple manufacturers, which creates compatibility challenge. Example, Samsung's SmartThings apps can connect its device, but it doesn't offer full integration with other Android brands. So in summary, HarmonyOS focuses on seamless automatic integration, making device behave like a single connected system. Android, on the other hand, prioritizes compatibility across different brands, but require more manual effort for setup and connectivity.
So let's go for the question 3. Based on your finding, which operating system do you think is better for developers and why? When choosing the best operating system for developers, factors like market reach, development tools, customization, and monetization potential are important. Based on this, we choose Android because Android proved to be a strong choice for developers. We go for the first factor, that is application ecosystem and market reach. Android dominates the global mobile industry, providing developers with an extensive application ecosystem and vast market reach. With millions of apps available on the Google Play Store, Android offers unparalleled opportunities for app distribution and revenue generation. Its large user base spans multiple regions, allowing developers to tap into diverse audience and implement various monetization strategies such as in-app purchase, subscription, and advertisement. Android's strong presence in emerging market presents significant growth potential, making it an ideal platform for developers seeking expansion and long-term success. So, for the second factor, development environment and compatibility. The Android development environment is both robust and well documented, offering developers a seamless experience in creating high-quality applications. Android Studio, the official integrated development environment, or IDE, includes powerful features such as real-time code analysis, an advanced emulator, and comprehensive debugging tools. As an open-source platform, Android provides developers with complete control over app development, allowing full customization of both hardware integration and user interface design. Additionally, the availability of numerous third-party libraries and frameworks enhance the development process, reducing time to market. With strong community support, developers can access extensive resources for troubleshooting and skill enhancement, further facilitating the app development journey. So the last factor to answer this question are cross-device integration. Android's compatibility extends beyond smartphones, supporting a wide range of devices including wearables, Android Wear, smart TVs, Android TV, and automotive system, Android Auto. This cross-device integration enables developers to build applications that function seamlessly across multiple platforms while maintaining a consistent development environment. By ensuring cross-device compatibility, developers can reach diverse market and create feature-rich applications that cater to varying user needs. The ability to design apps that work across multiple devices not only broadens market reach but also enhances user experience, making Android a powerful platform for innovation and success. So the conclusion for our presentation is Android is an incredible platform for developers who want to reach a global audience, build innovative apps, and maximize revenue opportunities. With its massive user base, flexible development tools, and strong community support, Android makes it easier than ever to turn ideas into reality. Plus, its cross-device integration ensures apps can work across various platforms, making it a future-proof choice for developers. Choosing the right platform is essential, and Android offers everything needed to succeed in the mobile industry. Whether you are an experienced developer or just starting, Android provides the tools, market access, and opportunities to create impactful applications and grow in the ever-evolving tech world. Thank you for your attention.